mga langga. Look at my son, oh. Pagwapo talaga yung Junakis ko, oh.
I just want more.
Gustong kumain ng chichirya.
Mommy.
He wants to eat a snack. Hey, but we're about to get the dinner. We're just waiting for Daddy to finish
Snack, please.
the dinner to get spaghetti. Are you gonna eat spaghetti if you get a snack?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay, so you're going to eat spaghetti after your snack.
Yeah.
Is that a promise?
Uh-huh.
We always keep promise. We don't lie in here.
I'm not lying.
Okay.
I just,
Hi, mga langga.
I just pressed the red button.
That's all right. Ano tawag dito? We are going to my brother-in-law. Kasi magti-trick or treat si Jonathan. Then actually, let me get your basket. Every year nagti-trick or treat si Jonathan doon. So, punta kami. Punta kami ngayon. Ito yung aking ang costume ni Jonathan here. Bumalik ako sa taas kasi nakalimutan ko yung basket ni Jonathan. Lalagyan ng kanyang mga candies and chocolates. Do you need a sweatshirt? Okay. They close the door.
Yeah. He pushed the emergency button.
That's what he was telling me. Nandito na kami sa bahay ng bayaw ko. And this is my superhero Power Ranger costume.
Thank you.
Not a spook.
Mom,
Just leave your bag. We just left the house of my
I will press that button.
my
I
brother-in-law.
will press the button with you.
No. Medyo madilim guys kasi madilim sa sasakyan. So there's no light.
It's a lot to have it on while we're driving down the road.
Yes. So anyway, so hindi na ako gano'n nakapag-video tsaka vlog doon kasi syempre for privacy sa pamilya nila. Look at that, Daddy. It's a good sign. So anyway, so now we are heading to sa mother-in-law ko. Papunta na kami sa lola ni Jonathan. So malapit lang naman. It's just less than 10 minutes away. And we are here in Jonathan's grandma now. Yeah.
You gotta eat, Grandma.
Jonathan. Are we staying here in the front door, the back door? Grabe si Jonathan, so excited. Iniwan na yung costume niya.
Gotta go on.
Mm.
Alright, go on. We'll knock on the door and say, I'm a spooky. Go down. Spell, I'm a spooky.
Go,
You're the
go,
Power Ranger, go get
go,
him. Show him
go.
your
You're a
moves.
Power Ranger. Go. Go check.
Huh?
Go check.
Come on, let's go. I'll go with you. I'll back you up. Come on. Come on, I'll back you up. I'll stay right behind you. Come on, I'll stay right behind you.
He's scared.
No, you get in front. You the Power Ranger, you the... Come on now. Oh my goodness gracious. What is it? Alright, you gonna be behind me? I'm
Yeah, he had.
She probably had the same bag, because I get her bag. All my stuff's at the store.
This is pretty.
Oh, thank you. Look! Wait. I got a bag with some goodies in it for you. Okay,
Yum.
honey, look, honey. Let's see what you got here. You gonna get up there and look into
Remove your slippers, Jonathan.
Ooh, what's
Ooh, what is it?
Woo, what is that?
Ooh.
That's a doopy.
What is it?
What is it?
Whoa.
Wow. Grandma found you some coloring books.
One spoke farming and one of them spoke to water. I couldn't find anything what he likes.
What's this?
It's a
And
color.
crayons.
I didn't
Crayons.
buy them today, but I searched this house over to find them because I couldn't find any today.
Yeah, here. Smell.
Oh, darn, no candy on it.
Oh, something.
That's
oh,
alright,
say
so good.
something to me.
You
Re-
want to see what?
I want to see something. He's exploring as if he hasn't been here for a while.
Absolutely.
Now, what's your toy?
They right here. They right here. Whatever grandma's got, which is. Ooh,
What you doing? Just go.
Jonathan, be nice.
Look at this baby too.
going inside. I want you to get the.
Come on, get your shoes
Yes.
on.
Yeah.
Daddy, why you just put it to?
Little mouse.
He's still going up and down.
He likes that.
See,
Let me
now
take.
I wouldn't be so scared with you coming out here before. I'm scared you fall.
Now he found something to.
Wait, come on.
Come on, mouse.
Right, go get into daddy now. Come on.
Come on, little mouse.
You be careful, pretty thing. Don't fall backwards now. To get older, everything they do, you're worried to death about it.
Come on. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Mama. Love you. See you later. We be
Put
back.
down the window.
We be back. We be back later. Love you. Bye.
All right, wash your hands.
We are leaving now Grandma's house. We're about to go home. Right, Johnny Yo-Yo? We will be back in Grandma's house. Good morning, guys! Good morning, mga langga! Hindi ko na natapos yung vlog ko yesterday kasi tawag dito, pag uwi namin, it was a little late. Medyo kasi nagtagal kami ng konti sa bahay ng biyanan ko. Tapos pag uwi namin, pagod na si Jonathan, pinaliguan, busy ng lola nyo, tapos napagod na rin ako. So yeah. Anyway, today is Sunday. We're expecting Rose and her family, yung friend ko si Rose, at saka yung pamilya niya to come over here. Kasi gusto raw mag-flight ni King, yung kanyang panganay. So, pa-fly siya ni Daddy. So, it's gonna be his first time kasi parang gusto niya atang, mag-11 na siya, gusto niyang maging US Air Force. So, it's a good training for him, yung mag-fly ng small airplane ni Daddy. So, yep, we'll see. And after that, merong trunk or treat sa Warsaw, one of the city, yung close sa school nila Jonathan. So, we're going over there later too. So, to get some candies and chocolates. Pardon my face value, naglagay ako ng mud pack. Tawag dito? Kasi nag-change ako ng product, ng facial product ko. Tapos, nagkaka-breakout ako, nagkaka-pimples ako. As in talagang ilang weeks na. Pero hindi ko siya in-stop kasi talagang ganun ako usually pa. I change my product ng brand, nag-breakout talaga ako. Tapos eventually, unti-unti na siyang nagsasubscribe. So, nagsasubside. So, tawag dito? So, tiis-tiis lang until makapag-adjust yung skin ko. I really like this product. Talagang tested na siya. So, I just need to adjust it. Hi guys, nandito kami sa shop ni Daddy. We're getting ready sa pagdating ng friend ko. Sila Rose. Pero may dumating din na friend si Daddy. Actually, yung asawa niya yung friend ni Daddy. Tapos namatay yung asawa niya kasi may sakit. So ngayon, eto, sasakay siya. Hey, come on, move away. They're getting ready. It's okay, Jonathan. Just take a video. That's them now. There you go. They're up and away. Enjoy, Miss Joyce. It's a beautiful day to fly. Andito na, my friends are here. Ang losyangis ng beauty ko. Ano lang, we ate, we had lunch. Actually, it's late lunch kasi they went to the church. So, hindi pa sila kumain. I don't think it's gonna rain. The moving, it's... Ayaw sa buwang. King, you wanna go and get yourself ready? Here, you just
Step right here.
step there.
Just watch this. Don't step on that.
See all those black
this.
line?
And just put your foot right there.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah,
right
all-
here, though.
There you go.
There you go.
Greg is gonna give you instructions and things like that.
He's flying.
Yeah, I mean, you know, about the headset and things like that. And if you get comfy, if you like it, he will let you have control.
I will.
See how you feel.
Now I'm scared.
Don't be. I'm gonna say I'm a stage mom. He may not be my son by blood, but he is by heart. There is King right now. They closed the door. They asked me to move away because Daddy is gonna start the engine. All right, I was asked to move away, farther away. All right. There they are. They just took off. Up and away, Daddy and King. If I don't zoom, I won't be able to see them. They're too far now. Too up. That's it. There they are. Yes, touchdown. There they are. Dili kay usahay may nay bako-bako man diri day pero kabalo anad man akong bana kabalo man siya pero kuan lagi na kanabang tara ato ta. There they.
What are you nervous for?
I don't know. First time.
First time? You've never been in a small airplane?
No.
So I shouldn't do barrel rolls and loops and stuff like that?
I hope if I think.
Missy, come here, Missy. Come over here, girl. Yeah. There they are. They closed the door now. They are ready to go. And we need to go far away. Come on, Bessie. Me and Owen are driving around while mommy is up in the sky. And then Owen's daddy and older brother King, they were having a tour around at the my husband's shop. And then Jerry and my little monkey, they are in the house, so everybody's kind of busy doing their own thing. Yeah, okay, let's drive around. He likes to, Owen likes to drive around in the golf cart. So, isakay mong bana. Here, next is kids. Yeah, you can ride if you want. We have a gas oven. We have a gas tank. Oh, sige. Lagi.
Missy, come on, Missy. Get the kuha mo ang kuan sa. Golf cart, I will get the golf cart.
17, yeah. And you crank it and you hear this flywheel going.
Get out there, kid. Get out there, kid. Get out.
She will just run. You drop. You take her. There you go. Come on, Bessie. Yeah, she knows. She's used to that. Come on, little girl. Come on, Bessie. Come on. All clear. Come on, Messi. Messi, come on. Basta nice weather, Friday, Sunday, pwede na akong bana. Available na siya. Mao man na ang highlights arong ma-feel yun nimo. Kana dili katong
Wait, anak, yes, come on.
andito kami sa ano, oh, tingnan niyo yung mga kids. Grabe ang busy. Like, tingnan niyo ang daming tao. Mahaba yung pila. Pero mabilis and moving fast. Okay. Say hi. Trick or treat. Thank you. There, you got yours too.
Can you hold it for you? It's getting heavy.
Yes, you go too.
Maybe they'll give it to me because I'm a real man.
There's a lot of people in here.
Flew over it this morning.
Pero mabilis yung ano, mabilis yung pila. Hindi ko ganong pinagkukuhanan kasi may mga bata.
The Bloggy twins.
Yes.
Blog, blah, 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 blah.
Medyo nakis ko.
Go watch it. I'm going to sneak up behind you and do yours. Get it next.
I guess I am going to close my vlog for today. We had an amazing weekend. It was really good. We be able to spend it with Greg's family, my mother-in-law, tsaka yung brother niya, his sister-in-law, and the kids. And today, yun nga, yung with Rose, with Annalisa. I saw shame. Some of my family, some of my friends, obviously they have other plans. They have other plans, which is good because I know they pretty much have had a blast to had a weekend too. So that's which is good. So kahit hindi kami magkakasama, I'm sure everybody had a good weekend. So anyway, maraming salamat guys. Thank you for keep watching. Lalo na yung mga talagang loyal na nanonood ng vlog ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I really appreciate yung effort ninyo, yung interest ninyo towards our vlog. Marami pong salamat. Thank you. At yung mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, please wag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe. Just click the subscribe button down below. I-click niyo na rin po yung bell notification para naman na-notify din kayo pag may bago po tayong vlog. Maraming pong salamat at please stay safe. God bless you. Keep smiling. God loves you. Thank you.